Gentlemen, this is a standing ovation for Sandhya Dar. You just see that she's a disabled girl and she's working for the J&K youth, disabled people, and then
मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ संजय जी। आप जम्मू से इस फंक्शन में भी यहाँ पे आ गए और हमें तो आपको प्रेरणा लेनी चाहिए। आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो इस सम्मान से। अगला पुरस्कार यशस्कर सम्मान की श्रेणी
so
में।
ladies and gentlemen, that is Sandhya Dar. She has received a standing ovation for her exemplary work working for the disabled children, disabled boys and girls, people of Jammu and Kashmir. She is working in the finance department. We salute her courage and her grit for standing for the people and using her disability to the advantage, the opportunity and working for the people who are Devang, who are not said that disabled, they are with special abilities, they are special people, and they need to be saluted. That is what is Sandhya Dar. Thank you very much.
रेप्लिका है एक ऐसा ही मंदिर जैसे कश्मीर में माता शीरवानी का। मैं उस अर्धरात्रि महाराज सेवा संस्था का बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट